In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Screen Texture Pointillism in Krita. To use Screen Texture Pointillism, select the Brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then open the Brush Presets docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type Screen Texture Pointillism. Once the Screen Texture Pointillism brush preset appears, click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for a larger texture area, or decrease the size value for smaller and more detailed pointillism effects. The Screen Texture Pointillism brush in Krita is useful for adding dotted textures, pattern shading, and point-based details to your artwork. It is a good choice when creating stylized illustrations, textured backgrounds, manga effects, or adding detailed tone patterns. Use a larger brush size when covering bigger areas with dot textures, and use a smaller brush size when adding fine details and precise patterns. After selecting the Screen Texture Pointillism brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying pointillism texture effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use Screen Texture Pointillism in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.